I'm Jason Timmons, and I'm a registered professional engineer. Well, at my job, I work for Sarasota County Solid Waste. I'm the solid waste engineer for Sarasota County. I work at our landfills and handle a lot of our capital projects and permitting. So I started as an undergraduate student at the University of Florida in the Environmental Engineering Sciences School. And in my last semester, I was approached by Dr. Townsend, and he came up to me and said, "What do you know about landfills?" And I said, "Besides what I've just learned in your class this past semester, absolutely nothing." And asked me if I'd like to check out landfills and possibly become a graduate student. He took me out to the New River Regional Landfill, where the Hinkley Center was part of the, and he was part of the research project out there. And I saw my first landfill with him, and I became enamored with it, and I agreed to become a graduate student in his group. So it was the bioreactor demonstration research project at New River, and that was a project that was funded through the Hinkley Center for Solid and Hazardous Waste. At the time, it was the Florida Center for Solid and Hazardous Waste, but now known as the Hinkley Center. And it funded my student in, research as a student-funded position, so I actually had a stipend, and it helped pay for my education and my living expenses and everything else, so it was a great opportunity. So the Hinkley Center was the main funding source for these professors and for the students. They were a big part of everything that was happening within those programs and with the projects themselves. So the students group benefited greatly, of course the professors benefited greatly, and then also the sites that we were working at. They were able to show, environmental consciousness, and they were part of these innovative projects and part of new technologies that they may not otherwise have been exposed to.